The Huawei Watch GT2 is a smartwatch that emphasizes fitness tracking and extended battery life. Available in two sizes, 42mm and 46mm, the device combines elegant design with a suite of health and fitness features. Design and display. The Watch GT2 features a sleek design with a 3D glass screen that merges seamlessly into the casing, giving it a bezel-less appearance. The 46mm model boasts a 1.39-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 454 by 454 pixels, while the 42mm version offers a 1.2-inch display at 390 by 390 pixels. Performance and software. Equipped with Huawei's Kirin A1 chipset, the Watch GT2 offers smooth performance. It comes with 4 GB of internal storage, with approximately 2.2 GB usable for storing music and other media. Fitness and health tracking. The Watch GT2 excels in fitness and health monitoring, offering features such as heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking, stress level assessment, and VO2 max estimation. It supports over a dozen sports modes, including running, cycling, swimming, and hiking, providing detailed metrics to help users optimize their workouts. Battery life. One of the standout features of the Watch GT2 is its impressive battery life. Huawei claims that the smartwatch can last up to 2 weeks on a single charge under typical usage conditions. Overall, the Huawei Watch GT2 is a solid choice for fitness enthusiasts seeking a stylish smartwatch with robust health tracking capabilities and exceptional battery life. Thank you so much.